Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here one of the latest smartwatch from Aeolon, the Aeolon Watch Curve 3. So this wearable do have a sporty design, as you can see here, and it is loaded with a Bluetooth call, sports and health. So we will check. We'll have the unboxing of the Watch Curve 3 smartwatch from Aeolon, and of course we will check the specs, the design, and its UI. So if you are interested to know more about the Watch Curve 3, or if you have planned to get this one, watch this video first before you get one, so you can decide whether this wearable is for you or not. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe if you find this video useful. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Watch Curve 3 smartwatch. So we have here the packaging. So before we open, let's check first the packaging. So keep striving. So what are the details here? So we have a QR code here. What we have is the gold color, as you can see here. I think this QR code is for JU Pro app that is available on Android and iOS. I'm not sure, but based on the logo here, seems like it's the JU Pro app. We do have the specs here and some features. So the packaging, it looks much better compared to the previous smartwatch from Aeolon. Aeolon. Okay, so let's remove the plastic here so we can check out the contents of the Watch Curve 3. The Aeolon Watch Curve 3 smartwatch. So let's remove the plastic. So what are the contents of this box? So let's check. Okay, very durable packaging, as you can see here, similar to the previous smartwatches from the company. So we have here the user manual, Watch Curve 3. Keep striving. Okay, let's remove this. We have the wearable. I do hope that it has a much better design compared to the Curve, the first Curve smartwatch. Okay, seems like we do have a PC material for the body frame, metal button here, including the crown button, and we have the charging cable. We have a screen protector. Remove these. Okay, again, here are the contents of the Watch Curve 3. We have the smartwatch, we have the screen protector, we have the user manual, and we have a charging cable. So the same type of charging cable with other smartwatches from Aeolon. Pogo pin, magnetic, USB Type A. So here are the package contents. Next, we will explore the design. So for the design, as the name suggests, we have a curved screen display here. Not the body, but the screen display. As you can see here, the bottom part is flat. Only the top or the upper part is curved. The screen is curved, slightly curved, but the body frame is still flat. We have a PC back cover for the sensor, 22mm strap with a quick release pin for easy replacement, we have the gold color, we have a crown button here, and we have a push button, rectangular or oval push button. I think this is a return button, and we have a speaker. So very lightweight, curved screen display, sporty unisex smartwatch. What we have is the gold color, but it is available in silver, black, and of course this one. So the finish here is a bit brush, semi-glossy type. It looks nice. Okay, looks good. It is somewhat similar to the first curve smartwatch. We already have the Aolon or the Aolon Watch Curve, then the Aolon Watch Curve 2, and this one. Okay, so let's take a look at the design of the Aolon Watch Curve smartwatch. So what do you think of the design? Does it look good or just ordinary design? For the dimension, let's check. The width is about 37.4. 0.4. The length 44.7. Then for the thickness here without the sensor, okay, we will measure on the middle. We have 11.1. Okay, then for the weight, check out the weight here. With the strap attached, I think it's just less than 50 grams based on the weight here. I think it's just less than 50 grams. Okay, 40.50. Oh, 40.48. Without the strap, I think it's just around 30. So 40.48. So very lightweight smartwatch. For the specifications, so we have the specs here. 1.93 inch IPS LCD curved screen. Then we do have a 240 by 296 pixel resolution. It is in a mid-range. Bluetooth 5.4 BLE 5.4 version. So this is fast and stable. We have IP68 waterproof rated, and with 280 mAh battery. So the support apps JU Pro, available on Android and iOS. IP68 waterproof rated. So splash proof, waterproof, rain proof. And I think it can withstand at least a 1 meter underwater, I think. Okay, ultra long battery life. Again, it has an IPS curved screen LCD or IPS LCD, 1.93 inch with a 240 by 296 pixel resolution. To make it clear, going to put the specifications here of the Aolon Watch Curve 3. Check it out. Okay, next we'll explore the UI of the smartwatch. For the UI, so let's turn it on. Hopefully this one is here, do have a rotary function. It's now loading. Follow app, scan a QR code, model Aolon Curve 3. Let's see if we can. Okay, so we have here the watch face, and as you can see here, you can use the rotary or the button the circular button, crown button here, to change the watch face. On top we have the settings. Let's adjust the brightness. Okay, the usual layout. On the bottom part we have the notifications. Is it split screen? Yes, it is split screen. And we have the widgets or the modules. To access the main menu, just press the power button. We have a bubble type here. You can change this to list. Okay, then I don't know if this is a return button or a sports button. Let's check. Okay, so you can adjust the function here. Let's say we'll pick the movement. Okay, so you can change the function here for the rectangular button. You can change the button. I think all you have to do is just go to the settings. Okay, so that's it for the UI, the specs, the dimension, the design, the contents, and the packaging of the Aeon Watch Curve 3 smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.